What's the new update in Apple Arcade? Apple Arcade is substantially the best and intriguing package for gaming enthusiasts, entailing approximately 100 titles, including this service which adds a plethora of exhilarating games every week, with almost 200 games available at present. If you're seeking to know all the available Apple Arcade games in the bucket lists along with the new launches, let's dive into the details. If you want to learn more about the installation of new games, then follow these steps. Open the Arcade tab in the App Store, then scroll down to the mid and click on See All Games. The recently launched games will eventually pop up on screen. Sign up to the Apple Arcade now, as it's now available for the first month. Get it now for $7 a month for iPhone, iPad, iPod Touch, Mac, and Apple TV. Apple Arcades have recently unveiled 4 intriguing titles that are Outlanders 2, Zenkoi Pro Plus, Punch Kick Duck Plus, and Cityscapes Sim Builder for Vision Pro. Moreover, these mentioned games have recently received significant updates instead of new titles: NBA 2K24, Sonic Dream Team, Hello Kitty Island Adventure, Fruit Ninja Classic Plus, Gear Club Stradale, Jetpack Joyride 2,